Okay, today we are going to be replacing the battery on this Dell Latitude E7470, which is from 2016. The first thing we have to do is figure out which battery to get. So we'll jump on Google and search for this Latitude E7470 battery. As a rule of thumb, try to buy direct from the manufacturer or make sure it's genuine or original parts if buying through a marketplace like eBay. Here we go. This will send us to Dell's support website. We will search for our model number. Great news, this part is still in production as we see here. We'll get the bigger battery and check out. Okay, now we've got our new replacement battery. Let's go ahead and check it out. Before we begin, touch something metal to reduce the risk of static electricity damage. Let's open our laptop. Here's the battery we'll be replacing. First, let's gently unplug the ribbon cable, then we will remove the screws. Now we remove the old battery. Let's remove the ribbon cable, which will be used for the new battery. And we'll just reattach it to the new battery here, like so. Now we are ready to install the new battery. Make sure it is seated properly. Let's secure the battery with the screws. And then plug the ribbon cable back in. Let's go ahead and close up the laptop. Now let's plug our power adapter and boot to BIOS. For this laptop, you press F2 to boot to BIOS, so I would recommend Googling your laptop's part number as each manufacturer is different. Here we are, we'll click on Battery Information. Everything looks good, so we will exit out of BIOS and boot into Windows. Let's jump into the power settings by clicking on Start and type in Choose Power Plan. Make sure the High Performance Power Plan is selected. Click Change Plan Settings. Where it says Put Computer to Sleep, make sure it's set to Never for both on battery and plugged in. Click Save Changes and exit. Now we will shut the laptop down and let it charge to 100%. Once it's fully charged, boot to Windows and then unplug the power adapter. Basically, we are calibrating the new battery by allowing it to completely discharge until the laptop turns off. Then charge it back to 100% again, and we should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.